Hi friend, welcome back to Chim Sneaker, and in today's episode I will bring you one of the on-time classic model. And guess what? Here it is, the Converse On-Star Classic, and you can have a look at the box. Here is the shoe information, and this is the format of the box in my country, Vietnam. We have a guarantee card and an extra bag go alongside the shoe. So this is a tote bag. Okay, and here is our sneaker. So this is the Converse classic low top sneaker, which is a very iconic shoe. If I'm not mistaken, this shoe was firstly produced in the high top form, and then due to like the fashion requirement, like there are many people who want to use this shoe as a daily streetwear, so Converse decided to do the low top model, and that is the reason why these models were born. And let's check it out. It has a logo right on the tongue, and the upper of the shoe is super clean, as you can see, just black color and white stitching, and I find it very elegant and applicable to any other type of shoe, which makes this model is super useful. And I have in my hand the edition for Asia, so it has like 2 extra ventilation holes for your feet during like hot day. If you are from colder places, maybe you don't have these kind of holes. And at the front, there is like a cap by plastic at the toe box, and also there are black lines go along the shoe, which is super elegant. And there is a stamp at the back, and you can notice the font, so that you can compare. Like there are a lot of replicate sneakers who don't have the exact style of demonstration, so you can notice to know. And here is the outsole, which is super like familiar and noticeable if you are a long-time Converse user. And like the first time when I have this shoe, I was super worried because I think that the shoe is broken by it having like some kind of ruches here. Let me show you clear. Yeah, like it's not perfectly one line, but it has some ruches at the joint point. But actually, they are the like iconic, like signature features of this kind of shoe. And overall, it's like a very easy shoe to use. And for those who are the beginners to Converse brand, if you wonder what is the difference between these shoes and the other like Converse Just 70 Classic, Just 70, let me show you. So this is the Converse Classic. I have with me the Converse Just 70, and you can notice that the midsole of the Just 70 is slightly thicker, and it have the ivory color to make it have a vintage feel. And there also like a polish layer outside of this kind of midsole. So this shoe is like less likely to get dirty, while this shoe is more likely. But also this shoe is like a little bit heavier compared to this shoe. So those who prefer to have lightweight shoe maybe prefer this shoe, even though they are easier to broken than this kind of shoe. And that's it. That's my short presentation about the Converse Classic Low Top, which is one of like the most popular kind of shoe of all time. Okay, see you again in the next video with some more interesting sneaker. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel for more interesting sneaker content. Bye bye.